boys and girls, it is time for math. This is going to be pages 517 through 520. Okay, today is easy peasy. We are just going to count sides and vertices. So I really want to do the listen and draw today so that we can practice drawing shapes. Miss Hearn likes this. I think it's fun. Okay, first thing it says is use a ruler. Well, we don't have a ruler. I'm going to show you how to do that without a ruler. It says draw a shape with 3 straight sides, then draw a shape with 4 straight sides. So we're going to use the red area to draw a shape with 3 straight sides. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to go at an angle. What shape do you think we're going to be creating if it has 3 sides? A triangle. So I can do this in different sizes, however many I want. Ms. Hearn's going to start at this dot right here. Okay, and how I'm going to draw my shape that has 3 sides is I'm going to have to count the little dots that I use. 1, 2, 3. I'm using 3 dots for that side, and then I'm going to move across 1, 2, 3, and count dots again. Now, obviously, the bottom is not going to be the same exact size, but I do have a shape that has 3 straight sides. A triangle can look in many different ways. I can go straight down, then go diagonal, and then close up the bottom again. Okay, as long as it has 3 straight sides. And later on in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, you will learn the different types of triangles. Okay, there's equilateral, this is called a right angle because it makes a 90-degree angle. So that's just later on seeing how that you use the shapes and why this foundation is important. Now I'm going to make one with 4 straight sides. 2 shapes can have 4 straight sides. Which 2 are they? That's right, a square and a rectangle. A square, all of them are the same, so it would be very important to make sure that I count the dots for a square. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to count across and draw a line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to make an exact square, I have to count down, including that top dot, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing for the next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then close it up with 4s. Doesn't look good because I'm not a good drawer. So now I can also draw a rectangle where it has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Okay, so for the sides, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's my short side, and I'm going to draw a long one all the way across. I'm going to try and pick a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do 8 dots. Okay, so that's my long side. Now, my other short side has to be the same exact length as my one that I've already drawn. So 1, 2, 3, and same thing for my long side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's my rectangle. They both have 4 straight sides. Okay, so let's flip it over and look at the easy peasy stuff for today. My papers are sticking together, boys and girls. Okay, we're going to focus on sides and vertexes. Remember that the vertex is where the corners meet. It's called the vertices. Okay, and the sides. So vertex is where the corners meet. Sides are the straight lines. Vertex, corners, sides, straight lines. Okay, so down here, it's showing us 3 different shapes. We have a quadrilateral, which means it has 4 sides. We have a pentagon, which means it has 5 sides. We have a hexagon, which means that it has 6. And I can count these. When I'm counting sides, boys and girls, this is how Ms. Hearn wants you to do it. Okay, counting my sides, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to draw lines through them so that I don't get confused on the fact that whether I've counted it or not. So that looks like this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I drew a line every time I counted. Okay, to count the corners, this is what Ms. Hearn wants you to do. I want you to draw a little semicircle in that corner. Okay. Sorry. Okay, notice that I drew a little circle to represent the corner. And I'm going to do that again. 2. Jackson, stop. 3, 4. So I have 4 sides and 4 vertices. My doggies are acting up, boys and girls. So let me get on to Thor real quick. I'm so sorry. Thor, no. Come sit. Sit. Y'all want to see Thor? I'll show you Thor. All right, say hello to the camera, Thor. These are my 2 doggies that are being bad right now. They're playing and making so much noise while